cute kid, isn't he?
Yeah, but doesn't he look a bit too carefree?
He suffers from childhood.
अंजलि, क्या हो?
कुछ
सब
नहीं,
ठीक तो है?
कुछ नहीं।
पानी पियो।
Was the dream about Avi? Was it bad?
Yeah,
How many in maths?
82,
Akshat ke?
94. Mohit, I think we should consult someone.
हाँ, ये तुझे सुशीला याद है?
नहीं।
अरे सुशीला मेहता, whom we met at the airport. हाँ, उसकी बेटी ना, उसको भी ऐसा ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम था. She used to behave strangely. सुशीला को भी ऐसे ही सपने आते थे about her daughter. बेटी को स्टेट बोर्ड में शिफ्ट करने ही वाली थी. Just then when a friend suggested this psychiatrist. And you know what? She is doing well now. Even in CBSE.
Really?
हाँ, I'm telling you. तू भी सीधे उन्हीं से कंसल्ट कर ले and get out of all this.
Okay, मुझे प्लीज़ उनका नंबर टेक्स्ट कर देना.
हाँ, रुक अभी करती हूँ.
थैंक यू.
अरे जस्ट रिलैक्स, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. चल मैं रखती हूँ. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. बाय.
बाय. It was horrible, the dream. I was in a school, walking towards his classroom. I could see his class teacher standing there, staring at me. She came to me and gave me his annual report. I opened the report. And I saw that he scored just 61%. I was frozen, unable to move. It was frightening. Radhika, Avi has got just 76% in his half yearly. I mean, this can't be a good news.
राधिका, मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. वो क्या सोचता है, क्या करता है. He is just not normal. How can he be so different?
राधिका, ये सब तब है जब हमने इसके स्कूल के साथ साथ इसके सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए ट्यूशन्स लगवा रखे हैं।
राधिका, इट हैज स्टार्टेड अफेक्टिंग अस नाउ। हमने घर से बाहर निकलना छोड़ दिया है। आई मीन जितने भी बच्चों को मैं जानता हूँ, दे ऑल हैव एक्सेप्शनल स्कोर्स। इट्स टेरिबल।
मीडियोकर। ये अभी दिन में कितने घंटे फ्री रहता है?
2 hours?
एंड व्हाट डज ही डू?
That's even more worrying, राधिका। ने उसके लिए प्ले स्टेशन भी ला के रखा है, लेकिन ये कभी उस पर खेलता ही नहीं है। He just runs out to play with those state board kids.
Well, Anjali, Mohit, I think I would like to talk privately with Avi. I'll call you guys once I'm done.
Yeah, sure, we'll wait
Yeah,
outside.
you can wait
Thank you.
Avi beta, I'm afraid I have bad news.
What?
Yes. He suffers from childhood. He is 6 years old and still acts like a kid. I asked him what he wants to do in life. He said he wants to become an artist. It clearly reflects his immature mind. He doesn't even know the importance of an MBA. Not just that. It turns out that Avi is an average child. Yes. It was shocking for me as well. More than 99.97% children of his age are above average, with many of them being geniuses. School dropouts of his age are running billion-dollar companies.
Radhika, is he really an average kid?
Unfortunately, yes. And if you don't want to ruin his life, I would suggest 2 more tuitions, one for computer science and one for business management and entrepreneurship. Also, personality development classes every Sunday would help.
But Radhika, he already has moral science tuitions on Sundays.
Well, in that case, you have to make a decision. Also, it would be better if you join some coaching classes for entrance exams. I mean, you have to take measures before it's too late. Otherwise, you might never ever be able to experience a happy life.